But first, we're celebrating Bundt Cakes in the Price Chopper kitchen.
All right, their new cookbook shows how to make stunning, scrumptious bundt cakes with exciting flavors. Roxanne Wyss and Kathy Moore unlock the secrets of quick and easy desserts. And I'm here in the Price Chopper kitchen with one half of that dynamic duo. Roxanne, what are we making today? Bundt cakes. First off, why are these so popular? Because I love these.
These are wonderful now. You know, they were popular in the late 50s, early 60s because somebody won the Pillsbury Bake Off with it.
Oh, okay.
And then they've come back with all of these new pan designs now. And so there's been a resurgence of old and new recipes updated. So today, it's a perfect week for pumpkin ginger swirl bundt cake.
Pumpkin ginger swirl
Bundt cake.
Bundt cake.
Yeah, perfect this week with Thanksgiving.
Yeah.
And we're going to show folks how easy it is to make that swirl that's in the middle of the cake.
So you guys can look here on this piece. You've already got the swirl in there, and you're saying that's really easy to make then,
Very
right?
easy. You can do that with any bundt cake that you make, so we just want to show you the tricks of the trade to do that.
Beautiful.
So to start with, I mixed up the batter.
Okay.
And I've put just a little more than a third in the pan. And this batter has pumpkin. This is made with a cake mix.
Okay.
We have scratch and cake mix recipes. Cake mix, pumpkin, eggs, milk, and oil, all in there.
So this is your normal?
Normal.
Okay,
What I did is I took out a cup of the batter, and I'm going to have you stir in, if you don't mind. These are the spices. So we've got a teaspoon of ginger and cinnamon and cloves.
Okay, so you've already got your third of the cake mix in here, then a cup of it in here, and we're doing the spice.
You're going to stir it right in.
It's been a busy morning, so I'm trying to follow along as best as I can.
You're doing great. You're doing great. These are easy, and if you're stressed with the holidays coming up, turn to a bundt cake. It'll make it great.
I'm your perfect example of being stressed right now with everything going on. But yes, okay, so we're just going to stir this in
Just dump that
here.
all in and stir it around.
All right, beautiful.
And it's easy to do. And with the holidays coming up, you could do a white cake and stir in, take a cup out and stir in red.
Why do you think pumpkin spice has gotten so popular recently?
I don't know, but hasn't it just taken off?
Everywhere.
It is everywhere.
Which I'm totally fine with because I think it's delicious, especially in bundt cakes.
It is. It's
and
delicious.
Muffins and stuff.
And coffee.
I could go without the coffee. I just like the sweets.
There you go.
Okay, sorry.
Okay, that's good. Now just kind of dollop that center all through around the cake pan.
Okay, should I just take little scoops of it
Just
or kind
little
of dump
scoops of it, however you want to do it. There's really no wrong way, and you're going to be perfect at it. The one thing you want to remember when making a bundt cake is you want to make sure your pan is well oiled and well greased and floured so that it's not going to stick.
So get out that.
But the nice thing about this, it's going to serve so many people, and you're going to just look like a rock star at the end because you hardly did anything, and it's going to be very tasty.
Let's not get ahead of ourselves. But thank you.
You're welcome. Okay,
all right.
Good job. So now what I'm going to do is just put the rest of the batter. Oh, you've got more in there. I'll let you get that all in there.
Let's get a little bit more here.
That's that pumpkin spice.
We've got to get all that in there. That's what's going to make it super good.
It is.
All right. A little bit more there.
Perfect.
Okay, here. I'll let you take over.
So I'm going to finish by putting the remainder of that batter.
Can I just eat this straight?
You can. Okay. Well, there's eggs in it, but there's a 1 in 20,000 chance that you would get salmonella. It's up to you.
Well, I didn't win the lottery a couple weeks ago, so.
So I'm going to put this right on top of what you did. Now, this is easy.
And that's all that it does to make the swirl?
Well, we're going to let you finish the swirl off here in just a sec. So we get all of this on it.
Yours looks much better than mine there.
Well, I had more to work with here. We're going to smooth it out. And then the swirl is the fun part.
Okay.
I want you to just take this knife and go back and forth, all around the sides of the cake.
Back and like in a circle or just?
Just here. I'll start you and then you finish. So just go up and down and up. See how?
Oh, I see that. Okay,
there you got it?
So
up and
down.
down.
Like little heart thingies in there or something?
Yeah, perfect. Isn't that easy?
That's all it is?
That's all it is. And then when you bake it, we're going to bake it at about 350 for 40 minutes. Turn it out, and that gorgeous swirl is going to be right in the middle of that cake.
All right.
And I'd love for you to take a bite of it and see if all that work.
I would. Thank you so much. So you've got us all ready to go here for the bundt cake, so we do appreciate that. We'll have Kathy in the kitchen in our next half hour. Now it's time for me to eat, and you guys can listen to Belinda.